There welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. I've missed you guys. I hope you've missed me. Okay, so we are here at Rotella, the truck show here in Dallas, Fort Worth area. And I am in charge of slightly sharing some ideas and thoughts with you guys about some of the trucks that we like. Shymon and another YouTuber are in a little bit of a competition with the FLD, so now I kind of have to set my game up a little bit on what I'm wanting to do with it. But I figured as we go through some of these trucks, I can take you along with me and we can kind of hopefully get some ideas, see some things that we like, and go from there. But I just wanted to go through some of them. You already see some of these lined up. The first stop that I definitely want to make, look at this beautiful truck. I don't know what it is about like this teal and the white. Woo! That is beautiful. Okay, let's see what we... Okay, so here's the thing. I like it. I do. I just feel like everybody does it. But I do like it. I like it quite a bit. Hi there. We got the Bostrom seats. Okay. Oh, look. Can you see the... I don't know what that is called. What is that, like a gear handle thingy? You guys know. I don't know what these things are called, but I like it. And it also has like this back door. I'm going to show you what it looks like here in the back. So they've got the wood flooring here in the back. And what is that? Oh, no. They're basically doing what we were the idea we kind of had. I'm going to have to show this to Shymon. That is cool. When we were looking into the flooring for the FLD, one of the first things that Shymon said that we could look into was the wood flooring. And although I like it, I like the idea in my head of doing the brick floor. Although we took like a shortcut, like a really budgeted cut, in some way, shape, or form, I do want to revamp that and actually have like brick in there. Does that make sense? Like, is there a way to like slim the brick to where it's just like the little, not even an inch worth on the floor is what I'm wanting. If you guys have like, can you see the vision? Can you see what I'm trying to say? Like, I would like the brick. I just want actual brick. But I know you guys have to, especially with it being a working truck, you guys have to be mindful of like the weight of the truck and all of that. So something to think about. But I also do like the wood flooring. Here's another one. Now this, I don't think is actual wood flooring. Oh wait, actually no, I lied, it is. It just doesn't look real. This is nice. Here, let me turn around. Oh, whoa, look at those pedals. That is cool. As I smile, sorry, as I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. As I smile, I'm so funny. Is cool. I clearly cannot read cursive. Okay, so that's a little bit of interior. Most of the exteriors are still really, they're cool. We got this bronzy, I don't know what color this is. This is beautiful. What color is that? It looks bronze from one angle, but then it's kind of like a hint of maroonish. I don't know if you can see it the way that I see it, but that is a really beautiful color. I like that. I like that a lot. Although it is not my sage, it is still a very, very nice color. And there was actually one truck, I think I've passed it up already maybe. Oh, it's over there, I'll come back through. There's one truck that it's like a green, but it's not sage, it's more like a forest. It's got a forest green vibe going to it. Okay, we've got this, I don't know what shade of blue. I want to say like a Tiffany blue, honestly. Again, beautiful flooring. It is really, really nice. And like you've got the top to match. You've got some nice interior lights in here. Look at that. Whoa. Even over here, guys, like on the actual door. The seat itself matches the blue. That is nice. That is very nice. And then a few hints of red. I think that's so interesting. A few hints of red. So that one is really pretty too. I like that one. And I'm also still trying to get a good idea of what I want to do for the grill. The grill that we have on there is not our permanent grill. That's just what we have on there for right now. So if you guys have some ideas of some grills that we can do, shoot them our way. Look, so pretty. It's definitely loving the emerald green. I'm assuming that this is like an emerald, but it's so nice, guys. Yes. All right, so we got this beautiful dime right here. Not really my cup of tea, but you know, to each their own. It's a beautiful color. It's just not the shade of green I'm going for. And again, I'm trying to steer away from doing the typical flooring that you see. But I do like it. I do love how it looks. It's a very clean look. Okay, so I think I'm coming up on one that is, I think it's a sleeper on the inside because it's got a really long cab. Let me see. I love these steps. I don't know what pattern this is, but this is different. I like that. This is what we've got going on in the interior. And then again, I saw something similar to this at Matt's, but whatever these are called, where it goes around the stacks, I love that. I really, really, really like that. I think they're gonna let us get a little sneak peek on the inside. What? That is cool. He's pulling out the champagne glasses and everything. Back here, we've got the sleeper. That is nice. Very nice. Alright. Let's see.
Oh, yeah? Yes. It's like the storage there.
Sorry, there's a dog. Can you see him?
Jeffrey.
Hi, buddy. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
I don't do it to you, nothing.
Nice.
I drive around with a car.
Right.
You have to have a CDL or nothing.
Yeah.
So, works out awesome.
Yeah.
You go, where's your truck? 6 miles down the road.
I would have loved to see it. You should have brought it.
Yeah, I probably should.
Yeah.
I didn't have time to get it cleaned up.
Yeah.
But after the rain the other night, I think a lot of stone washed it.
Right, right. Maybe next time we'll get to take a gander.
Oh yeah, it'll be in the next show.
Okay. All right, let's see here. So we've got those stack covers again that I like. Nice red, burgundy-ish. Let's see. I'm seeing a lot of these stack covers. I don't know if that's what it's called. That's what I'm gonna call it. And y'all are just gonna have to bear with me. This is a nice grill. What do you guys think of that grill? Yeah. All right. Let's see. I want to inspect some and see if there's some that I like that I specifically want to show you guys. So I'll be back here in a second. All right, you guys. I like this one. I like this one. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. And And some of you guys might recognize this one. Look familiar? Oh, actually, I really like this girl too. I don't know if you can tell, but it's got like a little, it's kind of rounded. That's kind of cool. It's very cool. All right, let's see what else we're working with. So this is one of the things that blows my mind, because each of these trucks, in order to qualify, has to classify as a working truck. And it is just so hard. It is so hard to believe that something this, look at this, look at this. It is like pristine. It's beautiful. Like how on earth is this a working truck? Like there's no way. There's no, look, you guys, there is no way this is a working truck. Oh my goodness. Oh, look, sir, you got your own embroidered towel. Are you kidding me? No, you guys, no. There's just no way. There's no way that this is a working truck. Like, there's no way. This is too beautiful of a truck for it to be a working truck. I'm not tripping, right? Am I tripping? Tell me if I'm tripping, because if I'm tripping, fine. But like, this is not a working truck. I'm sorry. Look, you know what? I can't even go look. Wait, yes I can. I'm about to go look in the trailer and see, because it does not, even the trailer. Look at how nice this trailer looks. There's no way this trailer is a working trailer. No. Oh. Okay, so here's the thing. There's a canopy back there, which means that there's probably people back there. And I'm a little antisocial, so we're gonna pretend that I look back there and didn't see anything, which validates my conclusion that this just is not a working truck. But look, one more look before I move. That is beautiful, you guys. I actually very much like this truck as well. Her name is Jade. She's got a bedazzled look to her. She's beautiful. This is a beautiful truck. All the greens, I'm seeing it. Okay, whenever it comes time for us to buy a truck specifically for the family, we're going to need something like this. Did you see all this spacage back here? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at, oh my Lord have mercy. Absolute memories we can make in a truck like this, where we don't even need to leave our home. Goals, life goals right here, guys. We can make money and never have to leave the house. Gosh. People are just brilliant. Brilliant. So here's another one of those trucks where I refuse to believe that it is a working truck. Because let me show you. So you see, it's trucks like this. This is not the same truck as that I just showed you. But it's trucks like this that I feel deserve, honestly, I feel like they deserve a little extra credit. Because although she is nicely polished, you can see the beautiful red polish on the inside, there's also clear tell of, like, you know, usage. It's been used. It's being used. I feel like this one deserves a little extra credit. It went literally the extra mile. Because we see the polish, but we also see the profit. I just made that up. But I like this. This is proof, for me, this is proof that it is being worked in, but it's also being very well taken care of. I personally love that. Good job. What do you call it? Hammett. Good job, Hammett. A+ for me. All right, you guys, I think this is the end of it. I think these are all of the trucks that I have to show you. There's a few over there, and if we walk over there, I'll show them to you. But this is like, I've made the whole round of trucks. So I'm gonna meet up with Shymon and the kiddos and hand off the phone. Yes, I'm walking backwards because the sun is right here and you can actually see my face. Although they are playing baseball and I might get hit in the head, but that's okay. I don't blame them. I'm in their way. It's all right. So, I don't know if you can see him. He's back there somewhere. There. So I'm gonna walk back towards Shymon and hand over the phone. But you guys, this was fun. A few things that I saw that I liked. I have no idea if Shymon is going to let me continue to update the FLD since now it's competition and he takes that very seriously. So we'll see. We'll see how much control I have. But I'm excited. Now we have a goal to meet and that's always fun. Hi guys!
Hungry.
You hungry?
Yeah, me too.
You too?
Yeah, me too.
Alright, sir.
What was your favorite?
I don't know. I'll have to really think about it. One, I really liked one of these red ones over here, but partially because it was like it showed that it was also a working truck. So
What truck?
a working.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I know that they're all.
Yeah, supposedly.
They're supposed to be, but some are really questionable. I'll take you, Bubba.
All right, y'all. So it is my turn to get the camera. It is day 2. Today is Saturday, and it's been rained out. Completely rained out. So I'm gonna go walk around and show some of my favorite rigs. Of course, they're gonna be cab overs. There's some really nice cab overs up here. So now I know Laura probably didn't show y'all any cab overs because she's not really a fan of cab overs. So let's go check some of them out. So we got one right here, 4-axle. They're all waiting in the car over there. But it's got the lift axle right here in the front. Nice truck, nice truck. There was one cab over right here. I guess he pulled out. If you look on the time lapse, on the drone shot, you'd see it. There's like a greenish color, like a sage almost, like a dark green sage. That's a nice maroon. Peterbilt right there. Let's see what else we see. These trucks look completely different out here when it's rained out. Now that truck was not here yesterday. Had a recent DOT inspection. Ugh, my freaking feet are soaked, man. I should not have worn these shoes. Something told me to bring some boots. Now, I think Laura showed y'all that one yesterday. That one's a nice truck. I like that color. I like that red one too. Yeah, a really cool light show last night. I didn't really get footage of it. I might put it on here. I don't know. Just due to copyright this red one. You got a Mac? Okay.
So, first thing, tell me a little bit about the truck. Year, make, model, what do we got?
It's 1985 Mac, hard up 613 Superrigs.
No, W9. Y'all know I love my W900s. Oh, that's a nice rig, yo.
Southside tow it service.
If I was ever to paint a truck, it would be like, oh, I hear the thunder. It'll be that cream color right here, man. I love that cream color. There's the goose. Got the cattle wagon on her. I like the color combination there.
I don't think he's back.
I like that flatbed, man. And that Conestoga too. Ooh, that one's nice. Love this cream color. Oh man. Not a fan of the maroon, but I like it with the Peterbilt. Oh, it's got the red undertone behind it. Wow. Yep, them T2 boys. Ooh, look at those penny lights, man. Very nice, very nice. Ooh, this is the long hood, man. Look at the Peterbilt. I like the maroon color on this one. I love the stacks, man. Got a little red, Scruggs. Got the cattle wagon. Last but not least, Super singles. It's got the monitors in there. No mirrors, but the monitors in there for the camera. Well guys, that is gonna do it for today's video. As you can see, the weather is beautiful right now. We went to go hang out with a subscriber, Eric. It was nice meeting you, you and your wife. Congrats on your success with your trucking business, and start a YouTube with that truck that I was telling you about. But they was cranking that truck up back there. But yeah, we did meet up with Trucking with Tay last night. We hung out with him for a little bit, talked to him for a little while. Didn't get any video of it. It was like super late last night. And it was just, you know, just a conversation between us two. We didn't get any content of it, but he did subscribe, so appreciate that, Trucking with Tay. But yeah, y'all, we're about to call it a day. Definitely some nice trucks out here. Unfortunately, like when it was starting to pop and people coming out, it started raining. But now it's as beautiful as can be. And then Trucking with Josh was passing by too. And then with the rain and everything, I'm sorry, Josh's Trucking Adventures, he was gonna pass through as well, but this rain threw everybody off. But now, as you can see, it's beautiful, so it sucks. But guys, LoneStarTexasRanger.shop. Go copy you a t-shirt. Copy a hoodie, even though it's hot outside. Go get you a hoodie anyway. Never know when you'll need one. But we're going to get on back down to the house. We've seen some beautiful trucks out here. Turnout wasn't as great as we hoped it was, but still always good to come see some trucks. Some good looking trucks at that. So, but anyway, y'all, I think that's it. But just wanted to show y'all some good looking trucks. Next truck show we'll be in Houston, Texas. Texas Truck Show, the last weekend of June. Of course, I have to go to that one. That one's right there in Texas, in Houston. It's only about an hour away, hour and a half from my house. So we got to go to that one. So I think the trucks are about to roll out of here, but we're starving, so we won't be able to see them roll out. We're gonna go grab a bite to eat. But guys, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I will catch you guys at noon Central Standard Time on the next one. Actually, no, tomorrow. Y'all see me at noon Central Standard Time tomorrow.